How to change slow motion video to normal speed iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If for some reason you want to bring your slow motion video back to normal speed or you took a slow motion video mistakenly, then you can always go back and change your video to normal speed. Open the slow motion video that you want to change to normal speed. On the top right of the screen, you will see the edit option. Tap on that. Now here you will be able to cut the size of the video, adjust the lightings of the video, add filters, and also crop the video. Tap on the video option you see there, and here you will see two pointers placed in different spaces. The lines with longer width is the slow motion part of the video, while the lines with lesser width is the normal part of the video. So in order to set the slow motion part to normal speed, slide the pointer you see there towards the pointer on the other side, and with this you will successfully be able to change the slow motion video to normal speed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.